This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you this morning with Andrew. And Andrew has an interesting case here. He told me about a massage therapist that when they pushed down on his head, he felt a pinch. I'm going to just show you that. This is an orthopedic test, actually. So see, when I push straight down, that causes him to have pain right down here in his lower neck. Is that right, Andrew?
Yes, sir.
And that is called foramina compression test. So that tells me that he has compressive stress in his lower cervical spine. Now, if we bring his head backwards and to the right and down, that's a maximum foramina compression test. That usually indicates IVF encroachment, or intervertebral foraminal encroachment, which is the opening that from the spine that comes out, where the nerve comes off the spinal cord out to his brachial plexus. But that was negative on him compared to the actual compression. Now, left side, where do you feel that?
I feel both of them when you turn.
In your upper back more?
Right in this circle. Right
okay,
there.
But this one's worse, right?
Right there is sharp right there.
Now, I'm going to just do a test here. I'm going to push down, you resist. Now, see, that's a little mushy. Hold real hard. See, that's mushy. Hold this one. That's a lot stouter. You feel different?
Yes, sir.
So I'm kind of showing you a cervical orthopedic neurological test. I'm going to test his biceps now. Pull out, you resist. I see that's strong. I'm going to push in, test triceps. That's strong. Biceps, that's strong. Triceps, that's strong. Good. Okay. Yeah, just relax that for me. There you go. Better. His reflexes are +2. And we'll see if they're equal and active. Yep. Oh, there's a problem.
99% of the time. Yep.
Good patellar reflexes. See, we can check these properly without the ring dinger, but we always check them with the ring dinger too. Okay, let's take a look at your posture here now. All right, Andrew, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. As you can see, Andrew takes his shoes off and everything, so I adjust him literally from head to toe. Okay, now see how your head's a little forward, Andrew, and
yes,
down and to the left?
Yes, sir.
And down here you got a little less space on the right than you do the left side. Okay, so let's come over here and do our first ring dinger of the morning.
This isn't as bad as it looks. What you have to do is you have to make sure that your back is flat and that your arms are in a neutral place on your chest. Because I think one time I had lifted this hip up and,
yes.
and it hurt. So the next time I came in, I made sure that my back was really flat in here and I was nice and tight.
Yep. And by the way, it helps when you just breathe and relax, huh?
Oh yeah, that's crucial.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay, nice deep breath in. Let all your out. I got you. There you go. And that's why we call it ring dinger. Because it gets everything from your skull all the way down to your pelvis. And see, he is still kicking. So I'm going to adjust his left cervical first. Perfect. And now his right lower cervical. Excellent. Boy. That'll move great.
That's wonderful.
Alright, my friend, let's have you come over here on your tummy next. There we go.
I'm going to need the Turbonator today. Dr. J.
Okay. Yeah, so y'all gonna see the Turbonator today. Now his back is off here on the right side, that tightened up there when I brought his legs up. His SI joints are off. A lot of you have been asking how come I don't use the Turbonator so much anymore. It's because we have Joseph, who's better than the Turbonator. I know y'all like watching it because of the patient's reactions and everything. There. Okay. There it is. Yep. Good job. Excellent movement everywhere. Okay. Now let's check his leg length again. Now it's exactly even, and it stays even. I bet you that didn't hurt as much.
Much better, thank you.
Alright, so just lay there and breathe and relax. Okay. That's a grit your teeth, white knuckler treatment there. Slide down just a little bit there. And you're good. Okay, there's C3-4, C5-6, and then I move right down on C7 and T1 to bring the whole head and neck up over the thorax. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. There we go. Yep. Nope. Slide down just a little bit. There you go. That's better. Good. Now slide down about another inch right there. Good. Now you see Andrew's got Trojan shirt on. That's not Trojan rubbers. It's a company here in Houston. There we go. And they'll be commenting on that.
That's right.
There we go. Okay.
One more time.
There we go.
There it is.
Glad Joseph and I are married. We don't need those anymore.
That's right.
So, we adjust his feet. Excellent. There it is, right there.
Yes, sir.
And then I actually get the ankles too. There you go. Should have felt that all the way up even.
Yes, sir.
Good deal. Okay, let's sit you up and face towards Joseph there. Now I'm going to redo this test. You tell me if that hurts the same amount.
It doesn't hurt at all.
Doesn't hurt at all.
No, sir.
How about when we go back this way?
Nope.
And how about this way?
Nope.
Okay, good job. Okay, let's stand you up here in front of the mirror and shoot you now.
Okay.
Let's flex you forward and backwards. Yep, take a look at that, my friend. You're right down the middle everywhere.
Much better.
Let's pull these back still, and we'll have that head come straight back here. There we go. Now let's try that same thing again. Now, if you do your procedures properly and you get actual results, when you do orthopedic tests before and after the treatments and they show improvement, you know you have objective improvement in that patient's case. We also objectify his improvement by his biomechanical postural changes. So you looking good right now. How you feeling, Andrew?
Feel great.
Would you mind sharing with our YouTube audience? They always want to know how the ring dinger actually feels from a patient's point of view. So
it feels great. The only thing that it hurts is when your hips hit the bars, but the relief that you feel from the ring dinger far surpasses the pain to the hips. Now, if you come to the ring dinger twice in 1 week, then your hips are going to hurt for like 8 days.
Sore, right? Where the pins are, right?
Yeah, where the pins are, because they have to absorb all that. But
well, that's what holds you down.
That's what holds you down and allows him to decompress you. Yep. But the decompression part far exceeds the pain, so it's worth it. And I thought it was going to be impossible to get in. I thought he was busy, but I've been coming since January, and I'm in love.
Well, we're still busy, but we still get you in.
That's right. We're still making it
all
work.
right. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson and Andrew, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief, LLC in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all next time.
See y'all next time.